Welcome in my lecture series. In last part, we have discussed about the line graph, and the last type of graph for presenting ungrouped data is pictogram. Pictogram is a pictorial representation of data by using images, icons or symbols. Now when we use the icons or symbols for presenting the data, all symbols or icons must be of same size, and we can use the fraction of icon for presenting the fraction of corresponding frequencies or corresponding variable value. We can use fraction of icon to show the fraction of corresponding amount or frequencies. Frequencies are presented by using icons or symbols. This is very attractive form of graph which is used to represent the data. Now let us consider an example. Survey was conducted for 50 children by ice cream company to understand the demand for different flavors of ice cream available in their outlet. The results were as follows. Present the data with the help of pictograph. Firstly, we will prepare the title. The title is as demand for different flavors of ice cream for children. The title is as demand of different flavors of ice cream. You have to draw the pictogram for the given for presenting the given data. We use this symbol as a circle, and one circle present 4 students. That means one circle for 4 students. So we prepare the table as for presenting the frequency, we will consider as a symbol circle, and one circle represent 4 students. Now in first column we take flavor, and here pictogram, and number of students. First flavor is blueberry. Second is lemon poppy seed. Third is honey pistachio. Ginger pineapple. And last is lemon thyme. Now the number of students are blueberry for 11, then 9, 10, 15 and 5. Here the frequency is 11 and one circle represent 4 students. One circle represent 4 students. So 4 plus 4 plus 3. That means it is 11. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 3 11. Now next frequency for lemon poppy seed, the frequency is 9. So now 9, the frequency 9 can be shown by this picture. 4 plus 4 8 plus 1. That means 9. Then next frequency is 10. For honey pistachio, 4 plus 4 plus 2. That means 10. And for ginger pineapple, the frequency, this picture is for representing the frequency 15. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3. That means 15. And lemon thyme for for lemon thyme, frequency is 5. For lemon thyme, frequency is 5, so 4 plus 1. That means here we have used the fraction of symbol for presenting the fraction of frequencies. Here 4 plus 4 plus 3, that means 11. 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. 4 plus 4 8 plus 2 10. Then 4 plus 4 plus 4 12 plus 3 means 15, and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. In this way, in this part we have seen the pictogram and how to draw the pictogram. We can use various type of symbols. So like for showing the number of students, we can use this type of symbol also, or any other symbol we can use to represent the data. This type of pictogram is very attractive presentation of data. In this we have discussed about the presentation of ungrouped data, and there are various type of graphs for using ungrouped data. In next part we will discuss about the graphical presentation of group data.